Today we're going to go over the discounts and buydowns section of FTx POS. Under Pricebook, we have discounts and buydowns. Under discounts and buydowns, we have two tabs. A tab for discounts, and of course, a tab for buydowns. We can scroll through here and either click the name or the modify pencil to open up the discount. If we need to modify it in any sort of way, or if somebody forgot to add a specific location, for example, we can open that up. On the edit screen, we have tabs. We have the details of the discount itself, such as its name, its discount group, and then its discount type. Under the type of discount, we have the usual % off each, dollar off each, etc. options. The next tab would be Schedules, which is where we can configure the start date and the end date of the discount. We have the Use Schedule button, which lets us select specifically which dates and times the discount will apply. The next tab is Options, which is where we can get into more detailed information about how a discount will fire, if it'll have a specific dialog on the receipt, the priority number, if it's stackable, whether or not the discount is reimbursable, if tax will be applied before the discount, and apply the discount to the cost of the item. Inventory clearance is set up to discount items that you will no longer be carrying. When we select this button and sell all of the items assigned to this discount, all of those items will be marked as inactive automatically. In Scan Data Report, we will assign whatever item is attached to this discount in our Scan Data Reports. Discount Commission is a way to offer commission to employees if an item is sold with this discount. Scan Data Classification is to determine whether or not scan data will be sent automatically or not. Require Loyalty is pretty self-explanatory. It requires that a loyalty account be used to receive the discount. The next four tabs limit the number of times a loyalty customer can use a certain discount, such as by day or by week. Lastly, we have Accounting Code and Export Description. If we have an accounting code that we have predefined for discounts of this nature, we can type that code in here and give it a description. Then, whenever we do an export description, we can pull the information from that accounting code. Under that is Disable Sending Alert. When this is clicked to Yes, whenever you save your discounts, it will not share these changes that are being made. Whenever we go to Manage Assignment on the right, we can decide which location is going to receive the discount or if it includes all locations. Same thing with discount filters. We can assign this discount to whichever filters we prefer with this dropdown. Then we have a trigger list. This gives a prerequisite number of items that have to be sold before a discount can be triggered. Also available is the ability to use discount groups as well as utilizing mass updates as we would in Pricebook. This allows us to do things like update items assigned to a discount, extend a discount, or do location assignments this way as well. If we have a discount that's going to be applied to all of our stores, we can sort through and assign them that way. This list will give you the options to do so. Next, we'll go through the Buydowns module. From the Buydown module, we have the Mass Update button as well. All of the same options that were included in discounts will be there in Buydowns. If we go through the list here of buydowns, we can search for them by manufacturer, or if they're in a group, or even by amount. As with discounts, to open a buydown, we click on the name or the green edit pencil to the right. Here we have the name of the buydown. We have a buydown group that we can select from the drop-down here. We have the manufacturer that is supplying the buydown. Buydown styles we can do by dates, quantity, or both if we want to, depending on what is required. Following that is the start date and end date, as well as the amount that's being taken off, and its receipt text. Then we have Scan Data Name, which is for if a buydown is going to be included in scan data and needs a specific name. Which is of course followed by the Include in Scan Data Report checkbox. Next is Child Included in Part of Parent, which basically is a way to set up buydowns that are applied to a carton, but also applied to packs. This will allow you to add both cartons and packs to a buydown when they're received, as long as they're in a parent-child relationship. Underneath that, we have accounting codes. With this, once we do an account export after typing one of these codes in, all the information regarding this buydown will be tallied up under that accounting code. Past that is location filters, as well as buydown filters for the items themselves. Just like with discounts, we have the exact same filter types. This concludes today's training on discounts and buydowns.